Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Unraveling NGC 3169. So what do we see here? Well, here we see spiral galaxy known as NGC 3169. And that is the galaxy to the left here, and it appears to be unraveling. Now, how do you unravel a galaxy? Well, it turns out with another galaxy. And the two galaxies are actually interacting here. So NGC 3169 to the left, NGC 3166 to the right. But they're close enough together in space that they are interacting. And that means that the gravitational field of each is pulling on the other and distorting it in many ways. And in this case, for the galaxy on the left, it is almost unraveling, coming apart. And what that eventually means is that likely the two galaxies will merge together into a single galaxy, forming just one larger galaxy from these two. This is a very common thing among galaxies. Galaxies do combine together. In fact, our own Milky Way will eventually combine with the Andromeda galaxy in several billion years, forming one larger galaxy. So here we're kind of getting a preview of that, seeing what will happen to us and to Andromeda. As we get closer together, the galaxies will pull on each other and distort their shapes. So instead of just looking like a nice smooth spiral as we see often with galaxies, we see that they are becoming distorted. It will also enhance the star formation within the galaxies. That's because the gravitational fields will interact, and that will compress various gas and dust clouds, enhancing the amount of star formation going on. So the areas that are getting stretched out will also have increased star formation that we see going on, and we'll see that in the distinct blue color that is present there in NGC 3169. Now, this process will continue and distortions will increase over time. Will we notice those? No. And that's because the process is very slow from our standards. It can take hundreds of millions of years for galaxies to eventually merge together. So a collision is not an instantaneous collision as we tend to think when we hear that word. It takes long times for the galaxies to actually come together, interact, maybe pass right through each other a couple of times before they finally merge into one single galaxy. So we're only seeing one snapshot, one stage of the process of these two galaxies combining. And at this stage, the one galaxy seems to be being torn apart or unraveled like a ball of cosmic yarn. So that was our picture of the day, titled Unraveling NGC 3169. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.